Yeah.
A couple of times?
Yeah.
So what is that one thing that excites you about the show?
Dance.
Are you a good dancer?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Hey, here, if you come and you don't dance well, I mean, you come and meet me here.
I'm really, really good dancer.
So you know what? I think we need to watch out for Bebelino. He doesn't only do well when it comes to the fashion beat. What about fun? I'm ready for your dance moves. Give them some. Hey. All the best, and when you're done, I hope you get a date.
Yeah, sure.
All right, all the best.
Vitamins, ginseng, taurine, inositol.
That's right. Welcome back. That's right. So, well, today our question is very simple. Those of you at home, please, by all means, drop your opinion and comments in the comment section. Today we're asking, ladies, when is the right time, the appropriate time for you to introduce your partner to your parents or the family? When do you think is the right time for you to meet each other's family? I want to start off from Akusika. Akusika, when in a relationship do you think is the right time for you to meet the family or to introduce each other?
For me, I don't mind if you meet in a month and the vibe is there. I like you like
Does it
me.
mean anything to you when you meet the family? Does it mean that Charlie, this guy is serious with me? Does it mean anything to you?
Well, used to, but not anymore.
Why? They take chuking eye. He shock you.
Yeah, my ex.
He introduced you to the family?
No, he forced me.
Fine.
I took, yeah.
And even that cry, it ended in?
He ran away.
3D premium.
It doesn't have to be a year or 2 or 6 months.
Okay, when for you?
I don't know how long it will take, whether 2 weeks,
okay.
a month, 2 months.
So it has to be mutual.
So far as my son listens to me, he likes the food I prepare, he likes what I do, and he's a good student in class, of course.
So you the partnership, one, it is home lessons, it is class. Just say one university now, university. Hey, Isa.
Tell me a big mama thing.
Big mama thing.
Yeah.
So your son will just have to listen.
Yes. Where are you going, Joe?
Yes. No, I wanted to ask, but I've gotten the answer.
You are all right.
Yeah, I'm too okay.
Are you sure?
I won't do again.
Okay, fine.
It's okay. Okay. Cecilia.
Giovanni. After studying all the red flags, and I get to know that he's good to go, I would allow him to see my family.
So you don't just want to introduce just anybody to your family? You must pass the test?
No. Yeah.
Sandra.
Hi.
Yes, talk to me.
Well, for me, I feel like after 1 year.
After 1 year?
Yeah. Then I can meet his parents or he can
You would
meet
meet
my
his,
parents.
okay, so the other way, 1 year for both of you.
Yeah.
So within that 1 year, you study him, he studies you.
Yeah.
Are you guys going to coexist? You're going to be in the same house?
No, I
Same
wouldn't want to
space-
be in the same house. The
space
guy I'm
within-
not married to.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
makes sense. All right, okay. Ellen, talk to me.
Okay, so immediately we start dating, you have to know my parents, my mom.
Oh, yeah?
Because my mom should know who I'm going out with, and yes,
Yeah,
I feel...
yeah. And who is going to break the thing, you understand?
Yes.
Very, very important for you.
Yeah, very important.
That's right. Fatima.
Okay, for me, I will just give the guy time. You get it?
How much time?
No, long time. For him to prove that right now, I'm a man. You get it?
Okay.
And then I'm ready to have family. So
if you had to put time to it, how long?
3 years, I'm cool.
Okay. Bella.
I would like my guy to meet my parents the first day we start dating.
The first day?
Yeah, and it shouldn't be like you're going to ask for my hand in marriage.
Yeah?
Yeah, you have to know so that if I'm not here, they'll know that, oh, she's with him. You understand? I will have to see your parents so that they know me. I don't want to fall in love with you that your mom will be like, Mempe. You understand? Yeah, so
for you, the earlier the better.
Yeah, so if you are ready to marry me, that's official. You come with your snap and your
knocking
money,
items.
the money and everything.
You remember the snap and the money.
Yeah.
You've forgotten the rest. This my girls, eh? Anyway, round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So good news is that 2 guys have a lot to prove for these beautiful ladies here. 10 of them. And at the end of the day, it's our hope that at least one of them walks away here all smiles, going on to that date promised by our sponsors: Rush Energy Drink, Ernest Ointment, Casa Pro Carnival Liquor, and Notes Cosmetics. All right, time now for us to get into that first profile video of our first gentleman. He has a lot of proving to do, trust me. I hate to be in his shoes right now, man. Check it out.
I'm Paul Bebellino, a fashion designer. I style male and female. I attended Joyce Abebio in the year 2016. I'm from the northern part of Ghana. I like to party, especially on a Friday, with my friends. And I like hitting the gym too. I'm self-motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person.
Paul Bebellino is my friend, and we have been friends for some years now. And I think he's one of a kind, very loving and caring. And if I were to be a lady, like, I'll go in for such a guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Bebellino!
Are you running?
Hey! Please give it up for Bebellino! Hard guy. Charlie be bad boy. You be bad boy. Eh? You don't see.
Yeah, not bad.
Charlie, so what? Right now you see the girls already.
Charlie, them fine, wow.
Hey, bad.
Fine girls.
You see the first one we did, you know?
Charlie.
Hey, Akushika.
Hey, not be chill.
Then we have yeah?
Wow.
Sexilia. Sexilia. Then we have Sila. Sila, they like the tongue. Yeah. Then we have Sandra. Yeah. Then Ellen be virgin, so take it slow, yeah? Yeah. As for Fatima, you're on your own. Yeah, Fatima, you are. See, but brother, Fatima, me name one yeah, girl them boss. You ain't no nonsense thing. He go feature you right now. Yeah. Nana ma another virgins. Nana me, I can't pass my. Then we have Bella. Yeah. And then finally, if you know, you know. Yeah. That one there, we don't talk plenty. If you know, you know. Thank you. So ladies, you've seen my brother. Yeah? Handsome, fresh guy. I said, hey, this man. So you had this mask all along? Hey! People who have never smiled on this show before are suddenly smiling. Nanama, your own credit, even Fatima, Fatima, Allah. Ladies, it's decision time. Keep your rashes on if you're feeling the connection. Keep it off if you're undecided. Please, decision time. All right, there we have it. Mama, what happened?
Joe.
Yes?
I'm afraid.
You are afraid? You go talk
Yes.
through. You go talk through.
I can't.
Tonight you told me you have come. Me too, you see, I have arrived. I promised you that tonight I'm not joking. Oh. This is part 1. Hello?
Hi.
Thank you. So the competition is too tight for you, eh?
Yes, so.
You won't do again.
The broken heart is serious.
You are seeing your future. God bless your heart. Azuka, you showed cleavage for him. Oh. And he even see he was doing this. I saw it all. He was doing all the things here. What happened?
He's handsome. He has the parts.
Yeah.
But he looks too young for me.
He looks too. He looks too young. It's a rash on or off? It's off. Sila, of all the. What's for you, Apishka? We will come back to you. We will be back. We have not forgotten what you just said. He looks too young. When we bring your ancestor on, we will let you know. Sila.
Jojo,
Yeah.
I'm bored.
Why?
Like I can see that he's having his pecs already.
Why?
Yes, like dancing. You got to me. You didn't give me some of the dance you were giving to the girls. You didn't pause. Like I'm a jealous type.
But he brought his tongue out. He did this.
I didn't see Joe. You're the only person who saw it.
Oh, he did this.
I saw. You
I
give
saw
me.
something.
I don't want it. Like you've putting me totally off. I like the way you came inside. And secondly,
You like
like
the way he
came in.
You like the way
He came in.
Jojo. Contraceptives move fine. You like the way he
Came in. And secondly, you are showing our future to the world. Why is your top open? I don't like that.
Please don't close it, please. I'm admiring it. What the fuck?
No, don't try to please me. Oh, like there are no competition to me at all. Don't please me. I don't like it when it's open.
Your rash is off. So what is your problem?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. It for myself, not you, girl. And for
It's
myself.
for all of us. So I have every right to talk.
You can have him now. That's why my rash is off.
Then keep quiet. Put the mic down.
Really?
That's all.
No, I'm saying what I feel.
Baby boy, don't mind her.
That's me. I'm
We are
sorry.
here for you.
You didn't
Don't
do the
mind
magic
her.
for me. You didn't do the magic for me. Thank you.
Aisha, you wanted to say something. Do you see a potential son?
I'm perplexed. Like how he entered, and he looks like a good son. You understand? But I'm shocked and I'm surprised. Why did you wink at this girl? When he came, when he just entered, she told me that she knows you. And when he came, you winked at her. Why did you do
Bella,
that?
defend yourself.
I didn't notice. I didn't notice he did that.
Sweetheart, you did that. Don't
No,
lie.
something is something
But he had like he did so many
something
things.
that wanted to enter his eyes. It's something that wanted to enter his eyes.
So why didn't you complain that he danced the different dance to Sandra? Maybe that's a way of greeting me.
No,
it's our greetings.
The dancing is different, but winking is a different thing altogether.
It's a love language. It's
You're looking for love, so
it's a hint, sweetheart. And you told me you know him.
we know him. Like he came, I saw him on video. I know him on the video.
Say something. My guy. Say
No words.
Say something.
I will judge from the guy. If he speaks the truth, fine, I'll accept it. He has to accept that he winked at him. Hey.
Bebelino, before this law court, before this law court, your answer must be yes or no. Okay? Do you know? Raise your hand and say I. Raise one hand and say I.
Please be honest.
No,
please.
not.
But like,
Do you know any of them?
no,
Have you met any of them before?
no.
Did you wink or so entered your eye? Say yes.
If he dance, so maybe.
So you dance with your eye. It's called the eye dance. Eye dance.
Thank you.
Why are you running?
Are you okay now? Are
Yes.
you okay? Are you okay?
I don't get it.
Ah,
He was shaking my hand to please me. Why did you have to shake a hand to? Why?
See,
Why?
see. This one here. Let's go for the second video. Please, let's go for the second video. So that you make up your mind from that point on. Second video.
I was dating this charming, classy, good-looking lady who was so happy in our relationship. What I used to remember about her a lot is when I'm sewing, she irons the clothing for me. And one cool evening, she sent me a text saying she cannot continue the relationship anymore. I called her that same evening. She picked up and she said she can't explain, but she feels like going back to his ex. She was dating me too while she was dating his ex. She told me we can be friends with benefits. I called her back saying friends with benefits will really hurt me because I can't see my lady going to different guy whilst coming back to me. So I have to quit. But I'm here looking for a good looking lady, charming, classy lady to be with.
He's one person that can go out of his to give you the backup you want, the help you want, and everything, the support. And when you have something small and you ask, like the two of you can share it together.
Loving, caring, six packs, you name them. All the positives. Ladies, have you decided? Should I give you the chance to do that? Show by rashes, if you're interested or not. But before that, my brother, you sure say everything be okay?
Oh, everything.
Sure say this truth. Nobody go do the comment section and say, oh, what?
Oh, David.
Okay, all right. Decision time. All right. Cecilia is off. Cecilia, you're off. Why did you put your rash off, Cecilia? Sexilia.
You know, I was wondering what was going on here.
Hey, so you didn't even watch the video? Okay, some says, based on your answer to section A, question 1, no? Answer question 3, we say, oh, objectives mean you're there. They say you didn't even follow the video, crowd.
He wasn't defending himself. I'm just wondering how he's going to defend me, even if we are supposed to be in a relationship.
What do you want to know? What do you want to know? Ask him, what do you want to know?
I'm still giving him a chance in the third video.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Ladies, you're still on. Bella, you've seen it all. You're still on.
yeah.
You dare inside.
Yes.
Yeah, she's still inside, though.
No, Bella, I don't know.
Do you want me
Ever
to
since the guy came
no.
in-
Do you want me to put my rash off for you? I
No.
didn't come here for you. I came in for a purpose. So
No,
allow me.
but how they are connecting? I'm afraid.
They are still connecting right now.
Ah,
Yes.
Where the cable there? Where the cable there? Are they still connecting?
Please
Show
cut
me the
it.
cable.
Cut
it's
it.
not even pairing. Why?
Don't look here again. We are looking no. We are looking no. He has an eye problem.
I look with
You
me.
see, this guy looks very sexy. Seriously.
Hey.
Yes. Look at his chest. Like grandchildren, please bear witness.
Okay. Well,
Joe.
your rash is off.
No, I think-
Aisha's rash is off.
Who updates?
It's off.
It's off.
Please. I think this girl is trying to fight me.
So I turned it off spiritually.
Yes.
So it's you didn't intend to put it off.
I didn't.
Okay, she didn't intend to put it off. Okay, makes sense. Ladies, all the fights they go on, you post 2 days, I can't pay.
Hey there, I want to ask something.
Okay. Now she be this.
Baby, you said you want a classy chick, right? I heard of a classy.
Yes.
Please, can I come so you see if I'm classy for you?
Well, he gets to decide.
I want to before I decide on the third video.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
Baby, make you know they touch out. Hope say that you go drop me your number. Cause I know they feel they show they pop but they wonder. Hey, now your back a boom boom to the conquer. Look, see I know they get no younger. So I they want friendship where be longer. With me today, tomorrow I will be stronger. Girl, I they want chop you be my baby. Make you know they baby. Make you baby. Make you
Hey,
Do I?
If people want to walk your walk, walk your walk. Why are you using this show as platform to be walking around?
This is not how roots work. And she wore this for a purpose. Because you can't come here and be shaking and why were you also looking at her that way?
Hey. Giovanni, please, I'm out of the competition. Thank you.
No. You guys, relax.
Wait. Let's decide after the video, please.
So serious.
You are not feeling it. They are pouring sand in your gari.
I'm scared.
Sir. See, like you have decided long ago in Bethlehem.
Jojo, can I say something?
Yes.
I don't know why they are fighting. When he came in, I was the first person he even looked at. So I don't know why they are even fighting. And I still don't want him.
You can carry him away.
Okay. Okay. In all of this, one person's opinion is very, very important to myself and viewers at home. If you know, Fatima, you have the final say.
I just like him. He's mine. I'm taking him home today, whether they like it or not.
What are you doing? Are you going to future him?
I will future him.
That is my girl. Well, my guy, you know they talk. You just say that they do. Oh
yes.
Joe. If you say date rush the aquarium.
But Joe, I want to ask him, what's baby line? Or is it Babylino?
Babylino.
Yeah.
His name.
Oh, that's your name?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, play the final video now.
In the next few years, I want my brand, Babylino Garments, to be recognized in Ghana here. If someone is talking about the best designers in Ghana, I want my brand should be in. So I want a very good looking lady, supporting lady, someone who can support my dream till we get there.
Babylino is very caring, loving and supportive. So I would like every lady to go in for him, and he's ready. He won't treat you bad as well. He will always be there for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my man Babylino again. Yeah, this is dangerous. I love this guy. Eh? The ladies are all pretend like they're not hearing me. When I say decision time, it means keep it on and off. Why? If you have to orient you again, we'll do it. So my guy, you're ready now for the ladies? Yeah, sure. Okay. Decision time. Ruth is off. Ruth, you just joined. What changed? You worked for him.
I did so, but looking at him, he's too slim for my liking. No, please. I just realized he can't carry me.
So like long time, you've now noticed he's slim.
Yeah, I just noticed.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
The contact lens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, who went off here? Helen, what happened? What changed?
Giovanni, I was hoping to feel the connection,
Yeah?
but there's a whole lot of drama and...
No, but he's not spoken a word.
I know, right, but...
He's not said anything.
I'm not feeling the connection.
The connection came after the drama or before the drama?
No, I was hoping to feel it.
Drama, Ben. I can't drama as a cantata. And about the first side. Hey, drama. Hey! Aisha, you went off. Aisha, I thought you were going to fight for this. I thought, yes, aside everything, you're going to fight for this. You told me you're a fighter.
You don't understand Big Mama.
Big Mama know the pre.
Like, we don't rush for things. Things that are meant for us are meant for us. And I can't be fighting with my daughters over my son. So I've left them in the competition. They can compete for him, not me. And my grandchildren will not even be happy. So please.
Fatima,
now what for you? A whole Fatima, girls them boss.
Fatima, give up.
You know the fear.
Okay, the girl them boss. How did she get it? Did you see the tattoo on me?
Doesn't matter.
This.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Too much talk, not the full basket.
All what I have to say is, I wish you luck.
I'm born to fight, you get it.
Okay,
So
keep fighting.
He's mine.
All right.
He's mine.
All the best, baby.
He's mine. He's mine. He's not. He's mine. He's not. He's mine. He's not. Are they yours? Are they yours? Come and show. All right.
Are you running?
Chairman.
You don't follow. The Magono. And the winning. Me ready to be the mamba.
Go. What you mean? And this guy's a man for me. What you mean? In front of concert. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
Yeah.
Franga running.
Yes, sir.
Are you my level?
No, sir.
Dance like
What?
Are you my level?
No, sir.
Head up for my guy, I'm popping pound. Yeah, need that.
Bundeska wenum. Bundeska wenum. Bundeska wenum. Bundeska wenum. You want that Range Rover?
Fatima. The switch is working. It's not a fault. Any technical problem?
I think God wants to take me to another level. You get it? So I'm cool.
Joe.
Aisha, you said it and it happened.
Big mamas don't lie.
That's right. Bella, are you okay?
I'm blessed.
Charlie, you are not joking tonight.
I'm blessed.
That's right. Sandra, you've not said anything. Sandra, you've not even spoken. Cry. Where dangerous are? Hey, you have a plan. Just say, you are just here. People are talking about eye contact. She's just like, eye contact, really? She's watching even with her nose. Hey, Sunny.
Yes.
You just joined. You want to go already? Well, gentlemen, I'm sure you came here with a question for my beautiful ladies. So what happens is that you're going to drop your question for them. The one with the answer you are more interested in, or the one with the correct answer, pay your own estimation, is the one you go away with. The other one, you have to come back here and put out their rush. And yes, as usual, Date Rush is brought to you proudly by Rush Energy Drink. Please give it up for them. Yeah, Rush Energy Drink, our proud initiators. We say thank you. Salute to Casa Prego Carnival Liqueur and Ointment. We say thank you so much. And of course, our official makeup partner, Note Cosmetics. What's the question?
I want to know your dream lifestyle.
All right, who goes first? Yeah, Bella.
Okay, my plans for the future, right? Okay. I have many things that I want to achieve in life. One is a happy home, not a house, like a home with a husband, a caring and loving one, with a lovely kids, with a good job. Yes. And then also I would like to I'm overexcited, so the sentences are not flowing, but I really have a bright future, trust me.
Yeah.
Like let me start again. Like
Wait. Is this the Bella we know on this show?
the fasting is working. Like
the
God
same
is
Bella.
good. I'm in a journalism school, and I want to be one of the greatest and the biggest journalism in future.
Journalist. Jimmy. They not choose yourself with this. And then they choose you there and they say you will change the name of the show.
I've always wanted to be a journalist in future, which I'm still in it.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I've always wanted to make my parents happy and proud of me because my dad doesn't joke with me at all.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I want to be one of the greatest journalists
ever.
And then have a happy home with a good and loving husband.
And a
lot of kids. And if you want me to give birth to 10,000, trust me, I'll do it for you. Yes. And I'll be a good wife as well.
Well, he's not asked you out yet, but you're answering like this is after your engagement. Hey, my dear. Yo, my brother. There you have it. But Sandra is next.
Well, for me, I'm not a lazy woman, so I don't like a lazy man. I want to be happy and comfortable. That's just it. Classy and bougie.
Classy and bougie. That's right. My guy, over to you.
I bring that down, me kinda shake it. Me yo love out, but say make it hit. When me come on deck, mama has a pit, a pit, a pit, a pit.
Give me the pilolo, spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Pilolo, give me the pilolo, wonderful pilolo, and spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. I did. Me fat cha 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 baby make you know cha 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 cha.
Just a little mommy again, yeah. She refuse to do me like wobbe, wobbe. Yeah. Same taste a pigeon line and more. Yeah. She the make her crazy with her body shape, yeah. Yeah. Give me good soup on a Sunday, yeah. Fall up for you on the first day. Me bow your dimmy nice one, yeah. Oh, you change my girl home for a while. Oh, you change my girl home for a while. All them other boys just be who's true, yeah. Won't make you know, say I do it, oh wow. Won't make you know, say I do it, oh wow. Never let you go, say I do it, oh wow. I put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little thing, so you never, never, never. Put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything.
Wait. How many of you saw her dance moves? She didn't give us that here before. I didn't even know she could dance like that. Hey! When they gave her the t-shirt, she was about to fold it. Why you laundry grammar? Hey!
So after all was said and done, it was between Bella and Sandra. You know, Sandra is very calm. Bella is more outspoken and very, very, very much of a talkative. So was that the deciding factor for you? You wanted a calmer one instead of one who talks a lot?
I feel like Sandra is so classy. She's good looking, she's charming. I spotted her when I entered inside, so I know what I was going for.
You know, me, if you are not going for Sandra, like me, I will not understand it. I will not. Hey, calm, classy, elegant, fine chick. And I'm tired. This is a connection you and white. One fun over for one, Sandra. You were so quiet. Your rush just did the talking. It was on throughout. The very moment he came on, did you know that I'm taking this guy home, or you were not too sure of yourself?
I knew I was going to take him home. That was why I was not talking, because I knew that I was going to take him home. That was why I was not talking.
You know, sometimes on date rush, you don't have to pre-baby. Oh, pre-baby, on your dates. Just have to be calm.
Yes, of course. You have to relax. He'll come to you. You don't have to go to him. He'll come to you.
So that's like your advice to the other people.
Yes.
They'll come for you.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a rebuttal from Bella and the rest. But anyways, Sandra, For being calm, for being classy, and for getting a date, I have a goodie bag for you, and it's from Note Cosmetics. Note Cosmetics said they want why you're shape, why you're classy, they want you to continue being classy like that. So hold on, don't turn. Ooh, yes. Ta-da! Note Cosmetics says that you have to continue looking good and you have to be notable. And so what do you have to tell Note Cosmetics?
I want to say thank you. Thank you for making me look this beautiful. And thank you for this precious gift. I'm really, really grateful. Thank you.
So when you're going for your all romantic date, you have to use Note Cosmetics. And I also saw no rush and you are
No.
Bella, you said everything on your heart.
Bella is crying.
You said everything. Aisha, you are closer. In fact, you are closest to her.
Please.
Aisha, you are closest to her. What do you see?
Please, she's not in
my
the condition.
situational report.
She's not in the condition to talk right now. If there is any emergency car available, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, talking about emergency, we have an emergency break.
Many thanks to Papa's Pizza, Duffy's Ohima Feminine Mixture,
Macberry, bake with love. Macberry, original. Macberry.
Introducing Carnival Apple and Carnival Ginger. Get used to it. It's Carnival.
Drink responsibly. Not for sale to persons under 18 years of age and not recommended for pregnant women. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Tasty and delicious. I am about the pizza. Every day and every night. I want some Papa's Pizza. It's hot.
For the tastiest pizzas, come to Papa's Pizza. We serve it hot from the oven, just how you want it and anytime you want it. Enjoy quick, tasty pizzas served at the customer's convenience. We deliver and offer in-car services too. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Me makeup know you're good. Me makeup know you're guy. Me makeup know you're good. Me makeup know you got. Check me out. Notes, foundation. Notes, mascara. Notes, lipsticks. And notes, press powder. Makeup and your wall. Vanilla, so full of colors for you to choose from. Notes for all your weddings. Notes for all your parties. Notes for your engagements and everyday life. Notes, foundation. Notes, press powder. And notes, lipsticks. And notes, mascara. Notes.
For your wholesale and retail, locate us at Ring Road East, Nyaniba, Osu First Lane, Silver Queen House. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Gino Magic Pepper and Onion, a delicious tomato mix with tomato, pepper and onion. No grinding, no blending. Ya yen na da da da. So pa mediane no abe. Come on, Gino, do your magic. And Papa, no kunu abefi.
Tasty magic.
And your daddy trying to just get
Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Let me be a mother. What you want here? I want to. Maybe I should have some mamma to whom so I mean if you're not that catch it. May come or be my child.
Nada. Yo, what is the problem?
We are queen. What's in what the code say ni bema.
Mami Sima meba. And
Ernest ointment. It's me sawa. Driba. Kakawure. Enantamo propro. Pimples. Se eba emani trase ho anso dia. Eye omo last stop. Onso problem aba. Wei, ene last stop. Hey, ena basu. That's one female. One man who said Ernest ointment.
Ernest ointment. Our friend secret.
So what do they do now? Oh, now I'm the official intermediary between public transport users and their chauffeur. I determine the financial obligations of my clients by knowing their destination through consultative engagement. Additionally, I'm the manager of the daily financial sales of a transport enterprise.
Oh, you didn't try me, say if you don't tell me that
Papa. Shine your hustle every day with the goodness of Fan Yogo. So cool, so good. This advertisement is FDA approved.
Ronnie. Nanda wanu mejuma na chiwa no pe wanu oko mesoya no pe bia asaba meko menyuma so no benya de pe bi. Let me share it with you. That piece of Hema feminine mixture. I am a secret bakopa aboa me. Boso me bia me menses e bakama abra menti ya obia e flow mami me wo ye chi no na me menses no e maye me sha ase no that piece of Hema feminine mixture no Kasa with no pain. So that piece of Hema feminine mixture. The best is you.
Open did witwa. Duffy's Health and Beauty Ewo East Legon American House. Kumasen so ye Bank Tech Hospital. Enye map him for. Sankratwe FDA ashishe mwajia tumuse eye.
To the outer framers, the turtleneckers, the fringe growers, you don't need to hide anymore. Try Dettol Even Tone. It cleans and helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes caused by oil, dirt and germs, giving your skin a healthy feel.
Introducing the new Dettol Even Tone Pink Glow. Healthy skin feel for an even better you.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Nivea Dry Impact and Dry Comfort Deodorant. Now with quick dry effect and longer lasting fragrance. Guaranteed to keep you feeling dry and fresh all day long, no matter the heat. Proven 48 hours protection and longer lasting fragrance with the dry range of deodorants from Nivea.
Get your Milo FC Barcelona limited edition pack now before the final whistle blows on this promotion. This advert is FDA.
Genomax shrimps, Genomax shrimps, Obia when it tastes, Genomax, shrimps and pepper, shrimps and pepper, Genomax, shrimps and spices, for your jollof, for your soup, for your shita, for your stew, Obia when it tastes, Obia when it tastes.
For that preferred taste in all your favorite dishes, use the new Genomax 12 grams cube in shrimps, shrimp plus spice, and shrimp plus pepper flavors. Genomax. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
So taking energy drinks on a regular is not really my thing, but days when I feel sapped of energy and I just need a little boost, then yes, Rush is the way to go. So if you feel the same way, you just need an energy boost, I recommend Rush Energy Drink.
Rush Energy Drink is, as the name depicts, is a very good energy drink to me, because sometimes when you are very stressful and you think the work is too loaded that you can't stop, what do? You need to take it so that it will energize you and then you keep on going. And one thing that I like about it is the brand is so unique, comparing it to the other brands. So to me, among all the energy drinks, Rush stands.
I take Rush Energy Drink to help my boring sessions of virtual class at home. I mean, you know how it is, and it's quite affordable.
The Rush Energy is very good. It energizes you. So I recommend it for you anytime, anywhere, in all locations.
And our second guy for this episode is Raymond. Raymond, what do you do?
Well, I'm an actor, I'm a model, and I'm also a YouTuber. I have a channel I started like a couple of months ago, Ray Cupid. So you guys should check it out.
Oh, I can't wait to see the interesting stuff you have on there. And so you have to check that out. He is a YouTuber, he is a model, and all of that. Now let's talk about your kind of woman. You are the kind of ladies' man. Yes, beard gun, kakra, pink lips, kakra, glasses, kakra, sneakers. This is oh, your sneakers are really, really nice. I love this. I love this. But what's your kind of woman? You know, put everything in one.
Well, I like a woman who is resourceful, a woman who is very thoughtful, somebody who is not boring, always ready to help you with whatever you're doing. Yeah.
Great stuff. Now you talk about resourceful in your line of work, what you do. What does resourcefulness mean to you?
Okay, great. So, like I said, I do YouTube and I travel a lot. So I need a woman who always wants to support what I'm doing, opts to travel with me, because sometimes I do travel outside Accra too, and I'm hoping to travel outside Ghana too anyway. Yeah, so I need a woman who, supports, is always there, has a little bit of idea, a bit of idea of what I'm doing, yeah.
But how is it looking like for you? From on a scale of 1 to 10, are you getting a date?
I'm just hoping for the best.
We've seen fine guys come here, they get on the stage and the ladies are like da 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 da, and then all the rest is a blackout. What are you doing if that happens to you, Raymond?
I'm very positive, so I just don't want to think about that. But if it happens, we move.
We move. Nice one. Regardless, anyways, Raymond, I wish you all the best. But we are not moving.
We move.
We are getting a date.
You know.
Vitamins, ginseng, taurine, inositol.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dates Rush, where we believe that what? Everyone deserves love. Actually, what a beautiful love journey beginning with Sandy and my man Bebelino. We hope that it doesn't end in what? Yes. 3D premium tears, all right, guys? But what? We have a replacement. Once one girl is taken on my show, I'm always eager to meet the next girl to replace her. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Cindy!
Some of this, some of that, some of this, some of that, some of this, some of that, some of this, some of that. Are you ready for the dancing tune? Me, I give something for the dancing shoes. Shake everything like a dancing dude. Get your back from the wall, girl, you can't be rude. Me, I sweep naninga, move fast to the beat like a ninja. Grind on the thing till you injure. Me, I don't care if you're a stranger. Are you ready for the dancing tune? Me, I give something for your dancing shoes. Shake everything like a dancing dude. Get your back from the wall, girl, you can't be rude. Me, I sweep naninga, move fast to the beat like a ninja. Grind on the thing till you injure. Me, I don't care if you're a stranger. Some of this, some of that, 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 some of this, some of this, some of this.
Bring it up. Those of you asking me in the comment section to ask her what she was shaking, please mind your business. Mind your business. Mind your business. That's right. Cindy, how you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah, you good?
Very, very good.
You give me sauce?
Yeah.
You're still here to look for that boy?
Yes, please.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Have you changed your specs, or today you are still maintaining your specs?
I'm still maintaining my specs.
Okay. At what point do you introduce your partner to your parents or let him meet your family? And at what point in the relationship do you also want to meet his family?
Whenever he feels like taking me home to introduce me, I'm fine.
So let's talk about months, years. Where do you go?
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
Short or long go?
But for my family, they respect my choice.
Okay.
They respect our choice.
All right. So anytime at all, what's you?
Anytime.
A round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. All right, ladies. Guess what? I've got your man Raymond on standby, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check out his profile video.
Hi, my name is Raymond Osei, and I'm into business. I do forex trading. I'm also an actor, a model, and I have a YouTube channel called Ray Cupid. I do travel and lifestyle videos there. Anything you want to enjoy on YouTube, I do it also. So today, I want to meet somebody who is adventurous, somebody who is interesting, smart, and resourceful. I am from the Ashanti region of Ghana, specifically Manso, Yes, and I love to read, I love to sing, and I love to write my own songs when I'm not doing anything. When I'm not trading, that is what I'm doing. I attended Kumasi Academy, Kumaka.
Ray Cupid is a very great guy. I met him at a party, a friend's party, and we have been friends for more than 3 years. And he's a humble person. He supports his own, his family, he's everything, and he's such a great person to be with.
I love it when I do this to my ladies, man. All of them say, oh, Giovanni, I'm crushing on him, his friend, and his generation, his ancestors. Are they alive? I'm saying they are dead and gone. He said, Giovanni, please bring Ray on. Hello? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ray Cupid. That's right.
Won't do it in what a sort of I won't pass it. It could be party. When you be a problem, no one does it. You forgive chance, for instance. Start and then you want to get a choice at 10 times. 1 minute, 1 pint, to start the 1 pint. Some of the doors, so if you have my pan pint, then you're both beats for the MOG. They are maybe I'm gonna be showy. I never go away that big dude. And I never get a big dude. Stop and everything is a trap. Yeah. Minute we are going on. Everything will be on. Yeah. I'm gonna never get it on. Yeah. Everything is a trap. Yeah. Everything will be on. Yeah.
My man Ray! Ray, what's good, man? Charlie, there for me, my guy. What's good? I'm good, bro. Charlie, they see the ladies, then they crush on you. See, ladies, I heard you. Papa. They want to know if your friend is single. This actually ask about me. They know my mom, they worry me.
He's occupied.
He's occupied, yeah. Ladies. I've got bad news for you. He's very occupied, okay? He's very, very occupied. And also, ladies, I told you, tonight's episode, I'm not here to play with your emotions. You understand? Am I not doing well so far? Oh, am I not getting your specs? Oh, Cindy. Ray, what's your AKA then? Cupid. Yeah. Oh, yeah, the goddess of love, Cupid, eh? You came with a lot of little arrows.
Yeah. With some bow and arrow here.
Allah, fine boy. No, they pay. Or you they pay?
We pay.
We pay, eh?
Yeah.
That's right. So you are into
I'm a YouTuber.
Trading, YouTube?
Yeah, I'm a Forex trader. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a model. I'm an actor.
You're an actor as well. You're everything, eh? We've seen a lot of actresses, models here as well. You have a lot of business partners here too.
That's awesome.
And ladies, decision time. Hey, my girls. Wait. Is it that you didn't hear me or you don't want to hear me? You heard me, eh? Wow. Someone is off? Nanama, why? You don't like competition again?
Giovanni.
Yes.
He's too fine.
Oh. So that's his crime right now.
Yes.
Hey, this word, if you are like me, you are not fine, they say wahala. You find like him too, wahala. So what must you do? Eh? You don't want competition?
I'm afraid.
You are afraid?
Yes.
And for you virgins, it means a lot to you.
Yes.
I understand.
I need to maintain my virginity.
I understand. I will respect that. We'll respect that. Okay, ladies, with your permission, I want to go for the second video. But yes, Aisha.
Giovanni.
Yes, Aisha.
You see, when some of the guys come, you see, girls, they will be a motor boy no home.
Yeah.
Send him all tiny.
Yeah, you know.
He's ugly. What he's wearing. But this guy is damn.
Oh,
Let's
wow.
admire him.
Wow.
Look, he's having a gold chain on. You see, ask him. It's a gold chain.
Wow.
Yeah.
My guy.
Big mamas know this.
Don't blow Kisisu.
It's just a...
I bet. Not trap.
Giovanni.
Yes, you. Okay, wait.
Giovanni, have you looked at his shoes?
Yes,
it's white, like there is no stain.
Ow.
The guy is neat.
The boutique owner is waiting backstage. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, Ruth, say something, my dear. Ruth.
Hey, I yada you. But I don't understand. Now my heart is pumping.
My sister.
I don't understand why you did to her.
Please do it for all of them. Do it for all of them. 10. All right. That's right. Symptoms to look out for if you're about to collapse. Your heart will be pumping. Please, you need rush, my dear. If you need help, we have medical team on standby. But please, we've got a second video up now.
So I was dating this girl in Kumasi. Very nice girl with, you know, all the things a man would want to see in a woman. And, you know, I was really so much into it because initially she's the one who approached me. So I thought, yo, a girl like her with, you know, all those features will just, you know, come to you and tell you she's interested in you. So I thought she was really game. But eventually I got to know she was just in for cruise, just wanted to catch cruise with me.
So Raymond is here looking for love because last year something bad happened to him. He got his heart broken by this girl from Kumasi, and he really loved the girl, but the girl wasn't really in love with him. The girl was all in for the fun and for the adventure and all of that. So the girl broke his heart. So since then he hasn't been really going out, you know, looking for love. And I realized that date rush is starting. So I was like, oh, Raymond, no, I haven't seen him going out. I haven't seen him being with another person. So date rush really helped me. So why don't you go on date rush and look for the one you really want?
But yeah, I learned my lesson from there. We broke up. It took me a while to get over her. I still remember her anyway. Life goes on.
There we have it. The ladies, it's now time for you to decide. Okay, what do we have here? Nanama is back, Silla is off, Akusika is off. A round of applause for them. Yeah, Nanama. Why?
Gio.
Yeah?
Gio.
Yes.
I'm beginning to fall in love. That is why I'm back.
Okay. How do you know you are in love or falling in love? What are some of the things you feel?
When I watched the second video.
Yeah, but personally, how do you know you are in love?
I can see he will understand my work.
But what are some of the signs in you, some of the things you show to me you're in love?
The way my heart is beating.
You are sure it's not what you are sure it's not water you need?
No.
All right. The way my heart is doing. Silla, you won't do again.
Jojo.
Yeah.
Can I ask you something? You said she came to you, right?
Yeah.
So will you jump into any woman's arms like you did?
Well, we started talking. I just didn't give in like that, you understand?
You didn't give him like that.
Yeah, because
she approached you and you accepted. So when I'm with you, if you go out and see all the ladies with the curves and everything,
Okay.
you are going to jump into her.
Please come. Let me show that you also have the curves or you don't.
Okay.
Giovanni.
Okay, so to answer
sorry.
your
She wants to know,
To answer your question, to every relationship, there's an initial move. Yeah, be it a boy or a girl. And at that point, she moved to me. I was single. So it doesn't mean when I'm with you or the fact that I gave in easily to her, if I'm with you and another lady comes to me, I'm going to give in because I was single then.
Okay.
You're waiting.
Let me look at the second video and see
third-
if I can change
the third video.
third one. Sorry, if I can change my mind.
All right. No, before that, Akushika is off. So let me find out from her why she's off.
Giovanni,
Yes.
I don't see him to be serious.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
He will want fun because he's a nice guy. Every lady will want him. So.
And how is that his fault? How does that mean he's not serious?
No.
It doesn't work for you.
No.
All right. Sexilia.
Giovanni,
Yes?
I don't understand Sila's problem. Your rash is off. Why are you trying to, worry him? No. Your rash is off.
Okay.
So you back off. Thank you.
Okay,
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Is there any rules or regulations stating that when your rash is off, you can't ask any question? Like,
my dear, the fact that you off your rash means you are not interested in him.
No, maybe I can change my mind. Like, why don't we have a Jinshatria or something?
Are you going to do that?
Maybe yes,
Please
maybe
don't
no.
ask our baby questions like
It's
that.
not yours. He has not even jumped
Please,
into you.
it's mine.
Relax.
I will relax. Please don't ask.
Hey, madam. Hey. Hey. Hold on. Wait a minute. Bella, you found your voice. Journalist.
I'm quiet doesn't mean I'm not following what you girls are saying. Though I'm heartbroken, but if I take rash, the energy will be back.
Thank you.
Yeah, in dear grower how? As a moon didn't your rash is off.
Better. No, Joe, please answer my question.
Yes.
Is there any rules?
No.
Because this is the second time they're doing this.
Hold on. Can he explain for himself? Do you have any questions for him? Ask him. And if he has answers, he'll give you. If not, with your permission, I want to go for the final video.
Yes, I want to ask a question. He
Yes.
was like he's an actor.
Yes.
Please, what are some of the videos or movies or series you've starred in?
Okay.
He will have. Please, let him advertise.
I am actually not in a movie like a movie, but then I played a role in a music video once. Yeah.
Video?
Yeah.
All right. So music video.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
you're
for
a
our
model?
teams. Video vixen.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You got cute lips though, please.
Yes. No, please. Hey! Bella, why? Wait. Are your... So Cindy wants me to ask if your pink lips is natural.
Yes, it is.
He says it's natural. Okay. And Ruth wants me to ask if you can touch it small and point it like this. Okay. All right. So Nanama wants me to tell you if we'll be shocked by your third video.
Just expect the best. Decide for yourself.
All right. So, well, we're ready for the third and final video of my man, Ray.
Raymond is really ready for a relationship because the advice I gave him to come on Date Rush, he actually agreed that yes, it's time for me to move on and look for the one. So the advice I gave him too helped, but I think himself, he was also ready to move on from the ex and look for a queen.
I am actually looking out for a woman who is adventurous, a woman who is smart, somebody who pushes you to, bring out the best in you each day, somebody who is caring and very resourceful. I mean, a woman who cuts across all aspects of life. That is the kind of woman I am looking for.
He really likes ladies with all the assets. Big nash, breast, pretty face, pretty smile, nice hair, nice nails, everything. He really likes everything, but not everything. But you have to be a queen for him to accept you. Being a queen, you have to be beautiful. You have to know how to talk and all of that. He's a sex person. He likes sex, but not that much. If you deny him sex, he'll be cool with it. Like, he can go a year without sex, but he does like sex.
The way forward, I've started a YouTube channel, so I'm planning on building it, and then I'm looking forward to travel more, but maybe outside Ghana, and build more connections out there. That's the way forward for me.
That's right. So welcome back. Charlie, they say they like sex.
Oh, not really.
Yeah, he said it 2 ways. He said you like sex.
But then
and he thought the cameraman no hear. He said, don't come again. Where he say, Charlie, but as you say, your body catcher, he said, but you can go a year without sex. Hey, who go a year without sex? I hold you sorry about.
Joe, yeah, I'm in for it when it's there. If it isn't, I'm fine.
Yeah? You're in for it. If yes, yes. If no, no.
Yeah, I don't like to.
And they say you also like women who are.
I think he said that because of the previous girl. I mean, my ex-girlfriend, because of how she used to be. But then, I'm the type. I don't have specs for women. I actually go in for what you're bringing on board.
Inner beauty. You believe in inner beauty and all. Wow. So the specs, no. Cindy, please drop the mic. He has clarified. Cindy, please come so that he sees you. Cindy. 360. He says he believes in inner beauty.
He said he likes a nice hair. I don't have this.
Clarify.
Is my hair nice? Is it accepted?
Hair is hair. I didn't really specify. So far as it's beautiful, I'm in. You have a very beautiful hair. So.
Oh, ladies, come on. Okay. Oh, decision time. Hey, wait. You all know that on this show, there is only one opinion that matters to me right now. Ladies and gentlemen, girl, them, boss. Fatima.
Okay, my rush is still on because he was like, he loves sex. I also love sex to reduce stress. I also shoot videos for people, everything.
They warned me before this episode, though. They warned me. I know here. You like what?
Sex to reduce stress.
Just well, mommy lyrics crowd. Ladies and gentlemen, it's decision time. All right. Oh, wait. Aisha, what scared you? The sex?
I think your friend knows you more better. His friend said he loves sex. I love sex. He said he's adventurous. I like traveling a lot. And he said you're hardworking.
Yeah.
You are good. You love big booty. My booty is good to go. Yes. But I don't have enough boobs. My boobs are flat. So whether you say you like them or not, I'm taking what your friend said because
Joe.
your friend knows you better.
Joe,
so that's why I stepped down.
Okay. Joe. I dey give you Joe. Slow down for me. I'm only one.
I want to talk.
Hey, Ruth. Wait. Okay. Yes, Ruth.
Please, are you saying that because of what his friend said?
Yeah, he said that he's reacting to what
his
the friend
said. His friend said he liked big boobs and big butts.
What?
And if, for instance, my breast matches all of you here, fine. But I can see big boobs around. So I have to step down. If
Wait. When you mention big boobs and small boobs, I don't want to mention names, but somebody almost deleted herself. He said, Giovanni, talk so fast. Stop. Say, clarify. Big, small, or medium? Where do you belong?
Like I said earlier, I don't have a definite.
That is done. Argument is done. All right.
Please, I want to say something. Aisha.
Yes.
Please. I'm not cool with you calling us your children. You don't feed me. I'm not
Let
wearing
this be
diaper.
the last time.
I don't eat in the feeding bottle.
Please.
I don't eat Cerelac. So please,
All right, that is out of the way. Okay, so now that is out of the way, guys. Can I continue now? We've seen the third and final video. Your rashes are still on. What that means? Ellen, you've not spoken much. Previous episodes, you didn't even like the competition. You will be like Nanama right now, put it off. But right now, you are in for real. Anna?
Yeah, I've become tougher.
You have become tougher. I like that spirit. And then, well, my man, definitely your night is ending on a date. Definitely. Yeah? So what you do, dance to the rashes here, especially the ones on, put off or put out the rashes you're least interested in. Keep 2 on for me for the next stage. Is that okay? Whilst you're at it, let me say kudos going out to our sponsors. Rush Energy Drink, Smart Energy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ernest Ointment, Ahonfe Secret. Thank you. Note Cosmetics, we say thank you. And also to Casa Preco Carnival Liquor. My man, Ray, do your thing.
Accra girls and Papiano, still popping, where? Them my girls more Papiana, still popping, where? We need bad girls in Papiano, still popping, where? See I know girls more Papiana, still popping, come on. Yeah, tell me which kind of thing it is. Feeling in your deep, tell it see the beat. Oh body now kicking me. I bet you can't boys, I boy, we be this. Yeah, you try by me, I didn't believe. I did Rasako, how I know CDB. Why your waist like a DVD? See your body, how you put it back in peace. I'm in love with you. You die for you.
What's on the song? I feel most stressing me, I made I walk. Scan your brand, I want to also try to remember my wedding bro. Made it so minded, but don't come down to you. That time you, Mommy, to many. Major many.
Rush the number that she be meeting with Samba. What you won't create the shower if you never was on and dear for Mousa.
What do we have here? Cecilia and Ellen, you've decided. You're sure?
Yeah.
Wait, come with me, walk with me, yeah. Wow, interesting. What kept happening? You kept going back to Ruth, off, on. Are you used to do so?
Well, I'm really sorry, but from my experience with women, any woman who shows who is really eager to be with me, it doesn't really end well with me. So,
from experience,
you're
not after a woman who is forceful.
Yeah.
Is that why Bella is off?
Well, she's pretty. But
that's your second heartbreak in one night.
I'm sorry, but
and Nanama, the virgin. You don't like virgins?
Let's keep it a secret.
Let's keep it a secret, huh? But you have one virgin on, Ellen.
She is?
Yeah.
All right.
That's okay. Well, Cecilia is on.
Yeah, she is.
She is. Yeah. That's deliberate, right? Okay. So what we do now from this stage is that every man on this show has a question. Yeah. So you're going to ask my two beautiful ladies here one question. I don't know, but my sister is crying. You know, I'm very emotional. Bring it down. All right. Sorry, you'll be fine. Ruth, you'll be fine, okay? This is your first heartbreak tonight. Someone is nursing too. I'm sure if we had a third guy on, they will still break her heart. Bella, I'm on your side. Fatima, the way you mean say you go have one pan, But you ever cry in life? You ever cry in life?
Everything I call you know. Me I day. What can come.
Well, you have a question for my two pretty ladies. Talk to them.
Yeah, Giovanni, before I go on with that, I really want to say sorry to Ruth. I don't want to be the reason for any woman to shed tears on it. Like, I have a mom, I have a sister, and I never want to see a woman cry. So, Ruth.
No.
I'm sorry, yeah?
What's his name again? No, so you knew you have a sister and mom, and you were able to on and off harass just to play with her emotions.
Do you want me to answer?
If you want to, because it's not right.
It's fine. I just apologized.
She was crying, but that means she is crying inside. So you can't see the tears, but she's crying inside. This is her second heartbreak in the night. Do you want him to touch you too?
Oh no.
You okay? All right. So we can go to the question now.
All right. So, beautiful ladies, I just want to know your take on a man being solely in charge of everything in a relationship. What's your take on it?
All right, ladies, let's go. Cecilia and Ellen, you want to go first?
So he's talking about financially, right?
Well, everything, basically everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't get a question, sorry.
Okay, let me break it down for you. You know, there are some ladies who expect a man to do everything in a relationship, in that he's giving money, he's bringing up conversations.
Basically, also, the woman is not bringing anything to the table.
Definitely not. It's supposed to be two-sided.
So yeah, what's your take on it to answer him? You are not okay with it?
No, I'm not okay. It's supposed to be two-sided. You can't do everything, yes.
All right? Yeah. Celia?
Giovanni, I'm going to relate this to the Bible. The Bible said that the man is the head of the family. But then God also, in his own wisdom, created a woman to be a helpmate. So I'm ready to help.
You know what to do.
Hey yo! Major me samba. Major me samba. Major me samba. What is it here be? Major me samba. Major me samba. What is it here be? Major me samba. Who wanna say what? Freestyle. You don't wanna take. Hey, I'm pampa. You don't wanna take. Who when you come sika so a wushi ni na. Hell, green say me your king. You mankasa. Y'all can't say nay who made that track. One you need to sabaja. Oko so ba for kamete meka. Modumbu mami babe fiti. Kama dunko e mabe brainy. Isa songo na mi babe fiti. Adiebo meni mbawe se signboard. Me de no check in me what's up. Oba to me le mu afi afi obo mi di mani ko bi de brevi afi. Go mi di am ma chin to me friend no afi. Me don't call me come on. swanchi gam or the Uber if I know the name of punching them. The woman who don't know with a crack come. Now pull it to me, you don't know the crack ham. Matching them. I feel see on the magic and the real boat. No one come on a magic, but be here pull on the man on the patches. Want to fam, come as pump, yeah, still fresh. Me yellow pull them up, call out how. Shana man, Panama once a man bow, while I'm Panam po, the man paman cow. Hey, come as pump, yeah, still fresh. Me yellow pull them up, call out how. Shana man, Panama once a man bow, while I'm Panam po, the man paman cow. Hey.
Time after such a very, very tight episode, and you need some rush energy. And you know me, oh, Sexilia, no mommy, Raymond, cheers, mommy, fabulous, any cheers, and hey, yeah, no, oh, you, thank you. But you know what, Raymond, for you, I knew you were going to get a date. Your chances were very, very high, but I mean, it got to a point where it was very difficult for you. You had to turn a couple of rushes off, and then the last two, you broke a lot of hearts today on the show. But let's talk about that. You know, that point you had to decide between the two, and then the question you asked. Were you really impressed with the answers you got?
Okay, well, with the response that came, it was just from her. I mean, the one that came from her that really made sense to me. Yeah. So, and along the line, I mean, when I had to really choose for the final one, I asked the other lady if she wanted me to choose her, and she said, "Why is her rush on?"
You're talking about Ellen and then Cecilia. I realized you're trying to interact with them, and you wanted to be sure.
Because I didn't want it to be like it's a make believe, it's a show. So yeah, I'm here for love. So I really wanted to be with the right person. So if she's the right person, she'll say yes. So I had to keep that one to myself. It wasn't a general one. It was like, you know, one-on-one with them. Yeah.
But how did you feel, especially with her reaction? Because the moment you asked Ellen, she looked as if, okay, my rash is on already, all of that. I mean, did it put you off to an extent?
She made it seem like it's a show. So yeah, my rash is on because it's a show. But I'm not in for a show. I'm actually in for a real life partner. Yeah, so
Celia, you know, I'm happy for you, because when it got to the final two, it took just that little push from you, that statement that yes, I want this, I want you, for him to make that decision. And sometimes you don't really have to share too much in certain instances, and then you lose out on an opportunity because you never know where it will lead you to. But did it take a lot of effort for you to say that, oh, I really want this, or it came very natural to you?
Well, Anita, to be frank with you, you might not believe me, but I said a prayer in my heart, and I saw you interviewing both of us. I knew this was going to happen, honestly.
Hallelujah, somebody.
And here we are. Yeah.
And see, that's when your projection, a failure. Projection, nanka, oh, so you are the ordained one, me boy.
Yeah, I am.
You know, with the previous guy who came, I mean, with the Nungwa guy, the connection wasn't there. That is why I said what I said. So it may have seemed as if I was being rude, but I wasn't. I mean, this guy is the chosen one.
The chosen one, indeed. I had no unya chosen one. Yeah, and you know, the coming episodes, the ladies, no, you have to pray. The fasting, so I have to fast. Bella, our fast is also a vampire. You know what? I have a gift for you. I have something from Note Cosmetics. Note Cosmetics say what boy juma e wo date rush so. Note Cosmetics say I was say ohun ye fe Emma Raymond. Enti no mincha we become kama. Raymond who dey nka ho enti no Note Cosmetics says I should give this goodie bag to you, and so this is yours, and you have to glam up every single time. I've been shouting, so my voice is almost going, but you know what? I will still talk. So what do you have to tell Nude Cosmetics?
From the bottom of my heart, I'm really grateful for, your makeup with me each and every day. I always look glamorous. If not for this, he wouldn't have seen me that clearly. But of course, I'm beautiful. So thank you so much, and God richly bless you.
Well, Note Cosmetics says be notable, and see if you want to be noted, Note Cosmetics. Cecilia, now you're noting, Note Cosmetics. Raymond and your bully balls, yes. And your best crop of you.
I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Ellen, the whole virgin. This is your third heartbreak too. On this show. He's too picky,
He was like, should I pick you? I should off it. Should I pick you?
On, and you're asking me if you should pick me is dumb, because if I don't want you to pick me, my rash wouldn't be on.
Hey, wait, Bella, are you the new Steffi? Because I said you've been there and back, Visa. All you need now is SO. So we'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen.
Our presenter, stylishly groomed by Fiancra, located at Ablekuma.
Many thanks to Papa's Pizza, Duffy's Ohima Feminine Mixture,